Okay, so let's move on to class. So last class we discussed some basic Linux commands, right? First, let me open labs dot play dot with. So last class already we seen. So what is how to copy file, how to rename file, and how to move file, and how to create files, and how to create directories and all already we seen. And today we'll see that continuation and all how it will work. Okay, control plus plus. Now, so so right now I don't have anything. So already as of now we discussed. So these are the commands. What is this in MS Paint? So MS Paint. So now we know, right? So these are the commands already we know. Now we'll see that continuation and all. So we know, right? So how to create touch command already you know. TD command and so next what command touch CD, next rm command, rmdir, next mkdir, make directory, right? This is the file and this is the mkdir, mkdir tmd, and so now mkdir hyphen p, what is hyphen p also, mk mkdir so hyphen p path. Okay, next copy command, next copy command, cp command, next move command already you know, right? So move command and ls command. Ls means so date command, ls command. So these are the main already we seen, right? Now we'll see continuation. Now, so if you want to create files, mostly we are using touch command. These are empty files. So these are only empty files. We are not going to add any data under. Just I am creating only files. Just I am creating only files. We are not going to add any content and all. Now, if you want to add any content and all, so last class we seen, right? A cat greater than file name, right? So file name and so enter whatever you want. Just type and so type control D save and quit ctrl control plus D, control plus D, so save and quit the file. So if you want to add any data and all, if you want to add any data and all, so that case we go for this is the command control plus D, save and quit the file name and modify and edit it. Now edit means this is touch only empty file. If you want to add some data, cat greater than and file name. For example, I am giving also details dot txt. Now here just add whatever data you want, whatever your data you want. Just I given some data. I given some data and so I'll be next line next save control D. Control D means save one. Now how to see the data? Cat command. So if you want to check the any file data, what is the command? Cat space file name. Cat space so file name. Cat space. These are the basic commands. So mostly these are the basic commands. And so cat space details.txt. Now observe here details.txt. Now already I hope everyone know. Now see continuation how it will work. Now go to here already. You know, right? So what is the copy command and what is the vim copy already you know, copy cmt. Now go to here these commands, right? Move and copy already I finished. Now let's coming to here compare commands. Compare means I want to I have two files. I have two files. How to compare? Now see here. This is the details.txt file, and I am going to create one more file. Cat greater than COU or a course.txt file I given. Now I am going git so Jenkins and I am giving Docker. I am giving Kubernetes and Kubernetes, Kubernetes, and I am using so AWS and something I added extra data. Now how to save it? Control D. How to save it? Control D. Now check the file, both file, cat space courses dot details and cat space Jenkins dot, not Jenkins, details dot, right? Detail dot txt. Now if you observe here, this is the Git Jenkins Docker Kubernetes AWS. So here Linux Jenkins Mav here Git Jenkins Maven Linux. Okay. Now suppose if you want to compare these two files, so these are the commands, guys. We can use cmp command, we can use diff command, we can use sdiff command, va-diff command, comm command. We can use anyone. But mostly in real time, I am using this one. Mostly I am using, so if you want to compare any data, so mostly any text data and all, mostly compare text data online. Okay. So compare text data. This is mostly in real time we are using mostly compare text data. So we are using online compare, text compare data. So we are copying here left side one file and right side one file. And if you copy, if you compare means it will see what is the content and all different, what is the same content, what is the variation content and all that and all we can see. But anyway, this is the Linux, right? This is the Linux. Now I want to compare. Now if you want to compare, this is the command. First we'll see what is CM. See here it will compare byte by byte and this is the syntax. CMP two file names. If content is same, it won't get any output. If content is different, then it provide information about only first difference byte numbers and line numbers provided by. Now see here, if you want to compare CMP space, for example, here I am giving course.txt, details.txt. If you give like this, now see here, course content details differ character 13 line number 3. So line number 3 from, so first two lines same only, right? Here also get, here also get, here also Jenkins here. Now line number 3 it is changed. See here. Now we can see compare. So like this it will see. So like this it will display. So like this it will like this it will display. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt? So this is the compare command. If you want to compare two files, if you want to compare two files, this is the syntax. This is the syntax. So cat space, this is the one file, and cat space details.txt. These are the two files. But if you observe here, in both file, first two lines is common data. Here also get Jenkins. Here also get Jenkins. Here also get Jenkins, right? Now, if you want to compare, this is the syntax CMP to file name. Which files you want to compare? I want to compare source.txt file. I want to compare details.txt file. See here, line number third, here the changes is occurring here. Just check it. Now, same way, we can use diff command also. See here, it will show the all differences in the content. So if you want to see content and all, there is a command diff command. Now see here, diff. Let me clear the screen. Diff course dot dit and so details dot txt file. Now see here. Now got it. So this is the extra content in course dot txt file, and this is the extra content in so details dot txt. First two lines is same only. First two lines same only. So here it starts with the third line. See here. Now got it. So this is if you want to see the content. If you want to see the content, diff command. If you don't want to see the content, in that case we can use CMP also. So we can use mostly diff command. I want to see content, right? This is the source file. Two files you need to pass. We cannot compare only single file. At least we have to pass two files. Now, one more guy they asked, sir, can I compare three files? Now, after cat space. Okay. Now, I'm giving course1.txt file. Course1.txt file. Cat greater than, right? If you I want to add content and also. Now observe here. Here also I am giving Git map Jenkins. First two lines I am giving whatever you want to, that is your wish. There is no changes. Maven, okay, Terraform. I given okay, 4 commands. Now control D. Okay. Now so diff course dot txt and details dot txt. Again I am comparing three files. So now observe here. Is it possible? So if you want to compare, okay, how many files you want to pass? If you want to compare, only one or two or three? Anyone? I want to compare. If you want to compare, we need to pass only two files. How many files? Two files. Now if I pass only single file, can you see difference? I am giving only course.txt. Is it compare? Syntax it, so it won't allow. See here, missing operand. Suppose if we give more than two files, not possible. So we have to pass only two files. Anyone, any doubt here? What, Karthik? If you want to compare files, how many files we have to pass? Only two files. Single file we cannot compare. More than two files we cannot compare. Clear? Uday?
Yes,
So if
sir.
you want to compare, we need to pass two files. Single file we cannot compare. More than two files also we cannot compare. It won't support here Linux command. We have to pass only two files. So two files. If we give two files, it will work. Whatever you want, so it will work. So now it is comparing two files. That is difference. Now same way we can use this command also. We can use also sdiff also. So we can use sdiff command for side by side comparison. S means side by side. So here earlier I given only diff, right? Now here we can pass a different parameters. So diff hyphen q also we can pass. So what is hyphen c here? Diff command differences, it content and all. I don't want. I want to display only that right q parameters hyphen s also we can pass. Whatever we want we can give. See here like this. Now I am giving s diff side by side. Command is same only. Only extra we need to pass. See here diff hyphen s. That's it. Hyphen s. Now here is there any variation? Here it is not getting means so here this online editor it is not supporting hyphen s. It is no sorry, this is not right. S diff, right, not here. S diff arguments and all. Let me check it. If you want to any arguments we can check it like this help only. Now we can pass this many also. If you want to width wise text only left column minimal, that case we can pass arguments. But I am using sdiff, right? So what is this command? Sdiff, not here. This is arguments. I am not passing any argument. We need to use a sdiff. Okay. Now see here side by side. These two lines common only. There is no change. There is no difference. Now see here, first two lines, this file. First two lines same only, and here also same only. So remaining, so there is a difference is there. Here only two lines, here three lines is there, here nothing is there, here only four lines, here only five lines. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? Was I clear? S-dip means side by side. S-dip means side by side. Now same way, Vim dip also is there. It will highlight differences in Vim. So that case we need to use Vim dip. That case we need to use Vim dip. See here VIM DIF and I am using course.txt and details.txt. Okay. So this is the see here Vim diff. Vim is nothing but this is editor actually, and editor we can check it. I think Vim is not available in this mission. So we'll see later. So first Vim is available or not? s.txt. I think Vim is not available. We need to install. Okay. So sudo yum install vim hyphen y. Sudo is not, this is a online editor, right? Few commands it won't work. Let's try it. Now sudo no need, now vim is installed. Now just I install the editor, that's it. Don't think beyond. This is the editor. VI, VIM, these all are the editors. And just now I install editor. Now check it. VM, vim.txt. DIF, right? DIF. Now see here, same like online. This is the editor, Vim editor. Now see here, this is the which file? This is the one file. This is the one file. This is the one file. So like this, if you want to check it, so we need to use a Vim editor also. Vim diff space two files. Now we can see, we can easily identify these two are the common lines. There is no changes, no difference. And in this file, these are the different. These are the different. So anyone, any doubt? Clear, guys? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. These are the very simple only. What happens? Yeah. Okay. So these are the control alt enter control plus plus. Clear the screen. Now anyway, that instance gone, right? Right now I don't have anything. Again I have to create the files. Now this is a Vim editor. Now we can use a COMM also. By using this command, we can compare data of two files. So we can compare like this also. So this is the COMM command. COMM is command. And also we can use so one more command also we can use. This is the last one, right? We'll see how it will work. Okay. Now go to here, just create two files. For example, cat space greater than, so course c.txt or a.txt. Okay, so we given this is right. This is the one file. Control D. One more file. Cat greater than b.txt. Now I am giving same component first two lines, or that is your wish. Whatever you want. Okay. AWS Docker. Okay. Now Control D. Now two files. Now cat space. Sorry, not cat. Right. So diff space a.txt b.txt. Now see here, and so this is the difference. If you want to see sdiff, sdiff a.txt b.txt. So this is the, and so clear. Now comm a.txt b.txt command. Now see here. So this is the common line. Git is the common line both file. And so see here, AWS, Docker, Jenkins, Kubernetes, Maven. File 1 is not in sorted order, and this is a Linux. If you want to see command format, if you want to see command format, so that case we can use COMM. And so here mostly now which is the easiest method, we can use two commands, sdiff, sdiff. So this is very simple, right? We can compare simply, or if you want to check the editor wise, that is the Vim editor, Vim diff and file name a.txt and b.txt. This is the, if you want to see editor wise Vim, or we can use sdiff or diff, the whatever you want, CMP comparison. So these are the same only. These are same. Just try it. So everything so in this document available, how it will work. Just type matter whatever you want, and based on this we can compare. Now this is clear. Anyone any doubt? Anyone any doubt, guys? As of now, what was I?
No, sir.
Okay. Now very important. Linked files. So this is interview also. Many people asked this question. So what is difference between hard link and soft link? Very, very important. Okay. Just make it somewhere, note somewhere, and this is very, very important. So in Linux, so what is difference between hard link and soft link? So before going to hard soft link Linux, first come to Windows machine. What is hard link? What is soft link? Now this is the, just assume this is my this is my file, right? Okay, or something. Now I am copying this directory and I am keeping somewhere. Everyone knows shortcut. In Windows we are calling shortcut. In Windows we are calling shortcut. Now this is a folder. So if I want to open this file, for example, my file is available C drive, C drive, and so new folder. This is my file. Every time I have to open here. Now got it. Suppose నేను నా ఫైల్ని ఓపెన్ చేయాలి, ప్రతిసారి నేను ఏం చేయాలి, ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ కమ్ హియర్ అండ్ ఓపెన్ దిస్ ఫైల్, కరెక్ట్? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు ఓపెన్ హియర్. Instead of every time, instead of open this file, I am giving some shortcut. I hope everyone know Windows లో ఎలా షార్ట్కట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. Go to here, go to C drive, go to C drive, go to here, new desk. Now how to create shortcut? Right click, and so if you go here, there is one option, desktop. See here, create shortcut desktop. So now I given like this. Now see here, here also here one shortcut is there. Now see here, now directly I can open here. I hope everyone got it, right? Yes or no? Shortcut.
Yes, sir.
This is a Windows. Very simple only. So, for example, I have a path. This is my path. I want to open every time this file. Instead of going every time open, go to open this folder, open this file, I am giving shortcut. Shortcut means this original files and all somewhere, actual files and all somewhere, and I am giving shortcut. So no, every time no need to go to this path, and directly I given shortcut. If I open directly, it is opening that file. That's it. Very simple. Now here one more question. Suppose if I delete original file, is it working shortcut?
No, sir, not working.
100% it won't work. That is the basic point. Now see here, I am go to here. I am deleting this file, original file. Same scenario Linux also. Now it won't work. Now see here, it won't work. This is second point. Okay. Now, so if you delete original file, we cannot work with the shortcut. Now, what is hard link? Hard link means so now hard link means same only. Shortcut and original link both are even if you delete a hard link. Now I am see here. I am copying this one and same content I am keeping somewhere also. I am same content I am keeping somewhere also. I am keeping here. Now see here. This is the public key. Just assume this is the two path. This is the one path or this is one path. Okay. Or else leave it. This one. Now go to here, right? Same directory I am using. See here, C drive. Go to here. This is right. Now I am copying this file. I am keeping here also. I'm keeping like I'm pasting somewhere. Where is this? This one, right? Okay. Not this one. Where is that file? New folder. This one. Okay. Now observe here. So this is the private key and this is a David or private key. So shortcut already understand this is the hard link. Just assume this is a hard link. Even if you delete a hard link, original file, we can happily work with this hard link file. Now this is the actual file. This is the actual file. This is the actual file. Private key dot txt. Private key dot txt. And the same I have one more copy here. Even if you delete original file, we can happily work with a hard link. You can happily work with a hard link. So now I'm going to delete this one. Now we can happily work with this file also. Now got it? So there is no problem. This is the main difference. Suppose in shortcut, if we delete original file, we cannot work with the shortcut file. That is nothing but soft link. So this is the Windows terminology. But same way, if you come to Linux terminology, now try to understand. See here. So there is two types of files: soft files, hard files. Now how to check it? Now see here, ls. Now ll. If you see here, so these are the, let me create mkdir, mkdir, and so test directory, ll. Now this is the directory, and these three are the files only. You know, right? This is the basic point. So first letter, based on first letter, we can easily identify which is the directory, which is the file. So now I am going to create a soft link file. I am going to create soft link. Here we can see L instead of D hyphen, we can see L symbol. Okay. Now see here. So it is just like another name of the same file. What is the hard link means? Same file name only. This is the another name of the same file. We can create a hard link file by using ln command. If you want to create any hard link file in Linux machine, this is the command ln space file 1 and file 2. So I am creating two files. This is the original file. This is the hard link file. Here L1 is the original, file 1 is the original file and file 2 is the hard link file. Now important notes. See here, both original file and hard link file have the same inode values, same size and same timestamp. If you delete the original file, then there is no effect in the hard link file. That's it. Very simple. Now come to here. Now I am going to create one file. How to create a hard link file? Now just assume ls. Here I have a a.txt file, b.txt file. For a.txt file, I am giving hard link file. So that is nothing but one more renaming. That is like one more copy. Nothing. See here. That is the name of same extra one more file. Just another name of same file. So now come to here. How to create a hard link file? ln space. For which file you want to create a hard link? Tell me anyone. A file or B file? This is the actual file. Original file. For example, a.txt, and I am giving, for example, test directory or anyone, test directory, and here a.txt. Now got it. Here which is the original file? This is the original file, and same name in text.txt. I am giving one more file name a.txt or h.txt, ha.txt, hard link file, right? ha.txt. Anyone, any doubt here? Clear, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see here, observe here. Now, now go to this directory. You created a hard link file, right? cd space test directory, under test directory ls ll. Now see here, this is the hard link file. This is the hard link file. Now what here they are saying? So now we just under name of same file, we can create a hard link file by using this command, ln command. Now this is the important. Both our original file and hard link file have same inode number, same size, same timestamp. Now observe here. So what is the timestamp here? 2:18 minutes, right? December 16, 2:18. And what is the inode value? Inode. I inode ha.txt. What is the syntax inode value? Inode. How to use, delete, reuse. Inode. What is the inode? Df hyphen I. Sorry, hyphen I, right? Inode means we want to find item f. Okay. item I. Okay. So now clear the screen. Now test what is the file name here? aa.txt ha, not ha.txt hyphen, or whatever you want we can use is df hyphen a, also use inode value. So this is df disk usage, I don't want. ls hyphen I am using inode value. Okay. Now this is the number. Now remember 6832275, and also timestamp. What is the timestamp? 2 colon, that is to 18 December 16, same. Now this is the hard link file, come outside. Now ll, now this is the original file, right? Now check the timing and all. See here, both are same or not? Now inode value ls ls hyphen I hyphen I. Now observe here. So this is the under text. This is the hard link file. What is the inode value? 683332275. Same or not? And so time also we can check it. See here 218. Here also 218. So this is the basic difference, and same size and same timestamp. If we delete original file, then there is no effect in the hard link file. Now remove the original file. Which is the original file here? This one or this one? ఒరిజినల్ ఫైల్. దీంట్లో ఒరిజినల్ ఫైల్ ఏది? ఎక్కడ ఉండే ఒరిజినల్ ఫైల్? టెక్స్ట్ లో ఉండేది ఒరిజినల్ ఫైల్. వాట్ వాజ్ ఐ? యాక్చువల్ ఫైల్, ఒరిజినల్ ఫైల్.
టెస్ట్‌లో ఉన్నది.
సో ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఇక్కడ ఒక ఫైల్ ఉంది. ఇది ఒరిజినల్ ఫైలా? ఎల్ఎస్. ఇది ఒరిజినల్ ఫైలా? అండ్ సిడి స్పేస్ టెస్ట్కి వెళ్ళాను అనుకో, ఇక్కడ ఒక ఫైల్ ఉంది. ఇది హార్డ్ లింక్ ఫైలా? దీని ఒరిజినల్ ఫైల్ ఏది? హార్డ్ లింక్ ఫైల్ ఏది? ఇది ఒరిజినల్ ఫైల్, యాక్చువల్ ఫైల్. సో టెస్ట్లో పెట్టినది హార్డ్ లింక్, అందుకే నేను నేమింగ్ కన్వర్షన్ హెచ్ఏ అని ఇచ్చినాను చూడండి. హెచ్ మీన్స్ హార్డ్ లింక్ ఫైల్ అని. Okay, now I am going to delete original file. Now how to remove original file? If you want to remove any file, what is the command?
RM.
Hmm.
RM.
rm space file name. What is the file name? A dot, here not available, come outside. Okay, here rm space, I have rm space a dot txt. Now I removed original file. Now can you work with the hard link file or not? Check it. cd space test. Now ls. Now see here, cat space ha dot txt. Now see content or not? Or we can, if you want to, we can open editor also. Whatever you want, we can do it. This is the first, this is the hard link, very simple only. Okay, so this is the syntax, ln space file name. And this is the, if both original file and hard link file have same inode value, same size, same timestamp, everything same only. If you delete original file, then there is no effect on the hard link file, hard link file. Here anyone, any doubt? Clear? What, Karthik? Anyone, any doubt here? అంటే మనం
No,
ఒరిజినల్
sir.
ఫైల్ని డిలీట్ చేసినా దెర్ ఈస్ నో ఎఫెక్ట్ ఆన్ హార్డ్ లింక్ ఫైల్. హియర్ ఒరిజినల్ ఫైల్ అండ్ హార్డ్ లింక్ ఫైల్ బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్ టైమ్ స్టాంప్, both are same inode value, both are same content. And this is the syntax. Now how to create soft link? This is some tricky. How to create soft link? Now we need to use hyphen s. Hyphen s is nothing but soft link. Now come to here, same story I am applying. Now go to here. Okay, now here I am taking, this is the original file b. Okay, now check it. What is the content here? Git to AWS Docker Kubernetes. Now anyone, any doubt here? LL command. So this is, I am taking original file, this one. Using this file, I am creating soft link file. Try to understand. Okay. Now tell me syntax. What is the command? ln hyphen s. S is nothing but here s,
To create a soft
soft link.
links.
Correct. B dot, actual file, original file, b dot txt. And where you want to create a soft link file? That is your wish. Here ఇక్కడే క్రియేట్ చేయాలా వేరే డైరెక్టరీ అక్కడ క్రియేట్, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ విష్, అప్ టు యూ వేర్ యూ వాంట్ టు క్రియేట్ అ సాఫ్ట్ లింక్ ఫైల్. సరే నేను ఇక్కడే క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నా sb.txt. నౌ గాట్ ఇట్ క్లియర్. ఆర్ ఇఫ్
Yes,
యూ
sir.
వాంట్ టు వీ కెన్ క్రియేట్ టెస్ట్ డైరెక్టరీ ఆల్సో. టెస్ట్ స్లాష్ ఐఎమ్ క్రియేటింగ్ అండర్ ద టెస్ట్ డైరెక్టరీ. దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ విష్. దిస్ is not mandatory. Wherever you want, you can create soft link. Anyway, I am creating here only. Now click on this or whatever you want. That is anyway. I creating here. Now you can see. Now ls. Now cat space. See, this is the original file. Okay. Now I am going to my soft link. Where is that file? cd space test directory. Now ll. Now see here. Here we can see l. Now you observe, right? This is a regular file. This is a regular file. And so here we can see L, first letter. What is the L means? Link files. What is L means? Link files. Now got it. Now come to here. A soft link is a pointer to another file. It is just like a Windows shortcut. It is just like a Windows shortcut. It is also known as symbolic link. We are calling symbolic link also. We can call like symbolic link also. We can call like this symbolic link also. We can call like this symbolic link also. Clear? And second, we can create soft link file by using the ln command, but with hyphen s option. This is the syntax. Ln space hyphen s. This is the soft link. Now, now go to come to here. Original file and soft link file have different inode values, different file size, different timestamp. But if we come to a hard link file, now observe here, both file inode value, both file same size, both file same timestamp. But if we come to soft link, all are different only. See, original file and soft link file inode value is different, and size also it will change, and also timestamp also it will vary, changed. Usually soft link file has similar file size than original file size, and if you delete the original file, then soft link file will become useless. If you delete original file, we cannot work with original. If you delete original file, we cannot work with soft link file. I hope you got it right. Now anyone any doubt here? Clear Uday?
No, sir.
Okay. Now see, same thing I am going to apply. Now I created, right? Now, so this is the which file? ll ls hyphen I. I am in inode value. Check here inode value. So what is the inode value? 104, and so timestamp also I am showing. Now ll hyphen I. Now see here timestamp 236, and this is the inode value, and this is my soft link file. Now coming to original file, come one side back, ll ls ll hyphen hyphen hyphen, what is this inode value? Now see here, this is the original file, right? So this is the original file B. What is the timestamp here? 219. Here 236. And what is the inode value this file? 76. But here if you see here, what is the inode value? Inode value
7-5.
here 88893. This is the right soft link. This is the, see, I hope you got it right. Timestamp changed, inode value also changed, and so everything it will change. Everything it will change. Now I am removing original file. This is the original file, right? Tell me how to remove. Rm space b.txt. I removed original file. Now can you work with the soft link file? Soft link means we
No,
can
sir.
see this arrow mark. This is the original file. This is the soft link. Now go to cd space test, and so ls. Now ll ls hyphen I inode value. Now observe here. Now earlier here which command ll hyphen I, right? ll hyphen I ll hyphen I. Now see here. Now I am trying to open this file sb. See, cat space sb dot txt. See what is it saying? No such file or delete. No such file or directory. What is this meaning? If we delete original file, we cannot work with top link file. I hope you got it right. If we delete original file, we cannot work with soft link file. So this is very important question. Interview also many people asked. What is difference between a hard link and soft link? So I hope you got idea. Now anyone any doubt here? We need to remember this, at least these two points. So both original file and hard link file have same inode value, same size, same timestamp. If we delete original file, then there is no effect on the hard link file. Same step reverse. So both original file and hard link file different inode value, different size, different timestamp. If we delete original file, then we cannot work with the soft link file. That's it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very important. Many in so Linux, if they asked any question in Linux, most of the cases they asked this question: what is difference between so hard link file and soft link files? So only 2 points. Okay. So if you create any hard link file, this is the syntax. How to create a hard link? Ln. How to create soft link file? Ln space hyphen s. Ln space hyphen s. We have to give two file names. That's it. We have to give two file names. That's it. Clear, Vaday?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Now, so if you want to work with directory also, we can use it. Same story. Link files for directories. So if you want to, we can work with directories also. Same story. Directory 1 and directory 2. This is the directory 1, directory 2. But directories we can create only soft link file, but not hard link file. So directories we cannot create any hard link file. Now let me create. I will finish it. Now, so go back. Now here point is noted. So for only files we can create a hard link file. Can you create a hard link for directories? No. What is the answer here? Can you create hard link for directories? Yes or no? No. Directories we cannot create any hard link. So this is the note. See here, file can create both a hard link and soft link, but directories we can create only soft link, not a hard link. So directories ఏం క్రియేట్ చేయలేం, హార్డ్ లింక్ ని క్రియేట్ చేయలేం, ఓన్లీ సాఫ్ట్ లింక్ ఓన్లీ క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు. Only soft link, not hard link. I hope you got it right. So if you want to, we can try here. Do is touch space. I am creating d1 dot d1. This sorry directory, right? mk dir d1. This is one directory. mk dir d2. This is the two directories. ls. Now how to create a hard link? These two directories. Hard link means ln space d1 space d2. Is it possible or not? Is it possible or not? ఇప్పుడే కదా చూసినాం. Yes or no? Can you create a hard link for directories?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
we cannot create. See here. Now soft link. Now ln hyphen s. Now is it work? Is it can you create a soft link directories? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can create. Now see here. So this is the point. ls hyphen inode. So for directories and all, we can create for soft link. For directories, we cannot create a hard link. Very, very important. So that's it. Remaining all our questions only. Just write. So next class we'll see count command and how to count and all. Now today class, so this is very, very important. How to create soft link, hard link, and what is difference between. Most of the cases they won't ask any create and all. So mostly they are asking what is difference between soft link and hard link. Very, very important. Okay.